Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're cooking 7 poached eggs in our Instant Pot, so let's get started. Okay, for our poached eggs, we're going to need 7 slices of toast, and we're going to use our cookie cutter again here. Yep. And we're going to use one of the ones here in the middle here, probably one of these rings here, and I'll show you what we do with those. Yeah, we're going to take our egg bite mold here and we're going to use our cookie cutter and we size it up on one of the rings there, just like that. Make sure it's a little bit bigger. And then we use this to cut out our toast. Yeah, now I'm going to show you a little trick here. We're going to use one of these pot holders. They're silicone matte type with a little honeycomb design. And when you put that down there and you put your toast on top, it gives a little so that your cookie cutter can cut through it easier. You just kind of rock it around, push down. You just push down, give it a little twist, and out it comes. Just like that. There you go. Perfect. Just push down, give it a little twist. That's 2. Now we just have to do 5 more. Give it a little twist. And there you have it. Beautiful little tiny little disc shaped toast. Perfect for our poached eggs. Now we're going to save these because we're going to use them. Okay. There we have it, our toast for our poached eggs. Yeah, to make our poached eggs, we're going to use our egg bite mold that came with our Instant Pot accessory kit. It also comes with a lid, a silicone lid you can use inside your pot. I'll put a link in the description for that. Okay, we're going to need some oil in each one of these little cups. We'll put some in there. I'm going to spread that around. You make sure you have enough oil in there, you know, coat it good. Okay, now we're going to crack some eggs. Okay, we have our 7 eggs in our egg bite mold here, and we're going to make these into like poached style eggs in our Instant Pot. And you can also make no peel soft boiled eggs in your Instant Pot this way with this egg bite mold. And you can have the yolks as runny as you want or as firm as you want just by adjusting the natural pressure release at the end. So now let's set our pot up and get started. Yeah. Okay, let's open our Instant Pot here, and we're going to add half a cup of water, 4 ounces. Put it right in there. Now we're going to take our egg bite mold that we put on our trivet with our 7 eggs, and we're going to put them right in there, just like that. Now we're going to cover that up with our lid. Now all we have to do is set our pot. Now we just set our pot to pressure cook. And we're going to go 3 minutes on high and hit start. Now we are going to do a natural pressure release of 1 minute after the 3 minutes is up, and I'll bring you back when it's done preheating. Okay, we have 3 minutes on the clock, and we're going to do a natural pressure release of 1 minute after that, and then a quick release. So I'll bring you back when it's just about done. Okay, our cook time's done. We are 3 minutes is up. Now we're going to do a natural pressure release of 1, then a quick release. Okay, we're done cooking. Now we just hit cancel. And we're going to do a quick release. Okay, let's do a quick release. Okay, the pin dropped, so let's see how they are in there. They're nice. Can you see? You can't see anything, can you? Beautiful. Okay, let's get them out of there. Wow, hot. Okay guys, let's see how we did with our poached eggs here. Yeah, they look pretty darn nice. And they're still soft. So, yeah, let's just get them off the trivet here. And we're going to take our toast that we made, remember the little circles? And we're going to put them over each one of them. Just like that. We got 7 little ones. And hopefully we cut them the right size. Okay. Now we're going to take our plate here and we're going to turn it upside down and we're going to put it right on there like that, and we're going to flip them right over and hopefully everything comes out right. Alright, let's do it. Okay, now give each one of these little cups a squeeze. Let's see how we did here. Oh, we lost one. Let's see if we can fix him up. Well, there you have it, guys. 7 poached eggs, and let me tell you something. They're soft. Yep, I could have maybe let them go another 50 seconds in there, or 30 seconds. Be perfect. Because this one's a little soft. But boy, are they tasty looking. Can you see them? And they're jiggly, see them? Jiggly. Okay. Now let's just see how this one really is over here. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Look at that. Man, did these turn out really nice. You could do 7 in 3 minutes and 4 minutes. Because you got 3 minutes and then a natural pressure release of 1. So it's 4 minutes. You have 7 nice poached eggs on toast, and you can use your toast and put them right in the middle. Now all we need is a little salt and a little bit of pepper. We like pepper. Boy, does that look good or what? Did I get enough on this one? There you go. Well, there you have it, guys. 7 beautiful poached eggs in your Instant Pot in 4 minutes. 3 minutes pressure cook, 1 minute natural pressure release. Beautiful. Yeah, let me see how jiggly they are. Can you see that? How jiggly they were? That's perfect timing. Maybe you can adjust your time just a little bit more on your natural pressure release and everything will be good. But these turned out really nice. And you can pick them up with a spatula and put them right on your toast. Yep, you can put them right on your toast. Just like this. Look at that. Ain't that neat? And look how jiggly that is. And that is really soft. And you can't beat that right there. Beautiful. Well, there you have it, guys. 7 beautiful poached eggs in your Instant Pot in 4 minutes. Now you can't beat that. Yeah, you know what would go good with that right there? Yep. A whole pot of coffee. And some friends. That sounds good. Good. Yeah, I'm just going to show you just how really jiggly they are. And they're soft. Can you see that? I mean, they're ready to pop open there at the slightest touch. But they're done. Beautiful. Wow. They're tasty looking, aren't they? Okay. Okay, let's cut this one open here. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see that? Beautiful right there.